So in almost all situations, LLC is the most appropriate for real estate investing because it's easier to maintain than a corporation and avoids the double taxation issue. Okay.
Actually, when you go back to corporation, I mean, like the general understanding is that it's, limited liability, right? So if you're saying that someone's suing us and taking over that ownership of the corporation, then that's kind of defeat the purpose of liability.
Yeah, so there's two types. Yeah, there's two types of liability. There's one called inside liability, meaning what you do personally, right? You driving down the car every day, or driving down the street every day in your car. You playing some sort of sports with your friends, right, or strangers. And if you do something wrong in a personal manner, then you could be liable to other parties for that. That's what's called inside liabilities. Outside liabilities is when you participate in your business and...
Okay, so you cause it versus a business person.
Right,
okay,
right, yeah.
You have one called outside liability?
We'll talk a little bit about it, but usually I tell my clients to buy insurance. Yeah. He asked a question about S corporations. So S corps are only a tax designation, and they provide a pass-through tax benefit to the owners. So, but other thing you have to keep in mind is that if you do the S corp election, you have to pay more fees because you have to go on payroll. You have to pay yourself a reasonable salary according to IRS rules, and then you have to expect that you have to pay additional tax preparation fees. You have to file a different tax form. So there's a lot more fees involved and expenses involved when you do the S corp election. So you got to make sure that I'm making enough money, or your real estate investor is making enough money to justify these additional fees and costs. Yeah.
How much limit for the S corp? Like how big your fixed or how big your company to not qualify as corp anymore?
Yeah. So like, there's no hard number. Like, there's no exact number. This is a question you need to talk to your tax professional, because they're going to say, if you net 50,000, you're probably not going to get enough benefit from S corp. But if you make 100,000, that maybe. So it's different for everybody. Okay. Yeah.
Hey, I want to shoot this quick correction video. I got these two terms reversed. So inside liabilities are those that are of the business itself, debts, things like that. Outside liabilities are the liabilities of those of the owner of the business.